Unlock the door to your success by unleashing the power of rich habits. Picture this. Your life is a grand tapestry, and every thread represents a choice, an action, a habit. Now, imagine weaving this tapestry with threads of consistency and discipline. How would that change the pattern of your life? Habits are the building blocks of our lives. They are the routines we repeat daily, the actions we take without thinking. But what if we consciously choose these habits? What if we decide to instill habits that align with our goals, our dreams? That's where the power of consistency and discipline comes into play. Consistency is the act of doing something over and over again with regularity and steady effort. It's showing up every day, no matter what. It's sticking to your commitments even when it's hard or you're not in the mood. It's about making a promise to yourself and keeping it. Discipline, on the other hand, is the ability to control your behavior and actions, to stay focused and resist temptations, making the right choices, even when they're not the easy ones, pushing through discomfort, overcoming obstacles, and staying the course. When consistency meets discipline, rich habits are born. These are habits that lead to success, habits that fuel personal and professional growth. They are things like waking up early, reading daily, exercising regularly, eating healthy, and practicing mindfulness. These habits might seem small or insignificant on their own, but when repeated consistently and with discipline, they compound over time, leading to massive change. Remember, success is not an overnight phenomenon. It's the result of small daily actions, repeated day in and day out, weaving that grand tapestry of your life with threads of consistency and discipline, creating a pattern of success. So let's make a commitment today. Let's choose consistency and discipline. Let's choose to form rich habits. And let's choose to live a life of success and fulfillment. Discipline and consistency are the keys that open the door to a world of rich habits. Your mindset is the compass that directs your journey towards success. This statement rings true, not just on a superficial level, but fundamentally. A mindset isn't just a state of mind, it's a way of life. This is the lens through which you perceive, interpret, and respond to the world around you. So what does it mean to possess a positive, goal-oriented mindset? It's more than just an optimistic outlook. It's transforming your entire thought process. It's shifting your focus from problems to solutions, from obstacles to opportunities, from limitations to possibilities. Imagine facing a mountain of challenges. A negative mindset might make you feel defeated before you even start. It sees challenges as insurmountable obstacles, reasons to quit. But a positive mindset, on the other hand, perceives these same challenges differently. It sees them not as barriers, but stepping stones towards growth. It sees them as opportunities to learn, to improve, to evolve. Let's take setbacks, for instance. They are inevitable, a natural part of any journey. A negative mindset might view setbacks as failures, as evidence of inadequacy. But a positive mindset transforms setbacks into learning experiences. It asks, what can I learn from this? How can I grow from this? How can I use this to fuel my progress? This transformative power of a positive mindset extends far beyond just your personal or professional life. It permeates every aspect of your existence. This influences your relationships, your health, happiness, and your overall well-being. It shapes your reality. In a nutshell, your mindset is the driving force behind your actions, decisions, and responses to life's ups and downs. It's the architect of your reality. Cultivating a positive, goal-oriented mindset doesn't just equip you to navigate life's challenges, it empowers you to transform them into stepping stones towards your success. Remember, every thought you think, every word you speak, every action you take is a reflection of your mindset. So cultivate a mindset that sees possibilities, not limitations, opportunities, not obstacles, growth, not stagnation. Transform your mindset, transform your life. It's not just a catchy phrase, it's a powerful truth. Embrace it, live it, and witness the transformative power of a positive, goal-oriented mindset. The entrepreneurial mindset is the engine that drives innovation and success. It's the spark that ignites the flame of creativity and the compass that navigates the treacherous waters of risk. But what exactly is this mindset, and how can you cultivate it? At its core, an entrepreneurial mindset is a way of thinking that embraces challenges, seizes opportunities, and learns from failures. It's not just about starting a business, but it's about taking charge of your life and shaping your own destiny. Let's delve deeper into the key characteristics of this mindset. Resilience is the backbone of the entrepreneurial spirit. Standing up every time life knocks you down, facing adversity head-on, knowing that every setback is a setup for a comeback. But resilience isn't something you're born with. It's a muscle that can be strengthened over time. Start by embracing challenges as opportunities for growth. And remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get up. Next, let's talk about creativity. Entrepreneurs are innovators at heart. They see possibilities everywhere. They think outside the box, challenging the status quo and constantly seeking new and better ways to do things. To foster your creativity, start by asking why and what if more often. Don't accept things as they are. Dare to imagine how they could be. Next, we discuss risk-taking. Entrepreneurs understand that risk is an inherent part of success. They don't shy away from it. Instead, they manage it, making informed decisions, weighing the potential rewards against the possible pitfalls. To nurture your risk-taking ability, start by stepping out of your comfort zone. Take calculated risks and see them as learning experiences, not failures. Remember, an entrepreneurial mindset isn't a destination, but a journey. It's about constantly learning, growing, and pushing your boundaries. It's being bold, being brave, and believing in your ability to make a difference. Fuel your success with the power of an entrepreneurial mindset. This is not just a way of thinking, but a way of living. So go ahead and unleash the power of your entrepreneurial spirit. The world is waiting for your innovation. Hobbies are hidden tools for success. Imagine this. You're toiling away at your desk. Your brain is buzzing with ideas, but you're feeling stuck. It's like you've hit a creative wall. You decide to take a break, pick up your guitar, strum a few chords, and suddenly, it's as if the floodgates have opened. You're brimming with fresh ideas and renewed energy. That's the power of a hobby. Hobbies serve a dual purpose. They're not just activities that we enjoy, they're catalysts for creativity. They spark innovation, inspire us to think differently, and offer new perspectives. Whether it's painting, playing a musical instrument, or even gardening, hobbies stretch our minds in ways that our regular work may not. They encourage us to be more imaginative and resourceful, qualities that are invaluable in today's rapidly changing world. But it doesn't stop at creativity. Hobbies can also be a great stress reliever. After a long day, immersing ourselves in an activity we love can be a wonderful way to unwind and recharge. And let's not forget, a relaxed mind is a productive mind. When we're less stressed, we're more focused, more efficient, and more effective at problem solving. Now you might be thinking, I don't have time for hobbies, or I should be using my free time to work more. Remember, all work and no play doesn't lead to success. It leads to burnout. Incorporating hobbies into your daily routine can actually make you more successful in the long run. They can enhance your performance, boost your mood, and even improve your relationships, both personal and professional. It's time to view hobbies not as frivolous pastimes, but as powerful tools for success. So pick up that paintbrush, strum that guitar, or plant that seed. Let your hobbies fuel your creativity, reduce your stress, and sharpen your problem-solving skills. Harness the power of your hobbies and turn them into tools for success. A personal development plan is your roadmap to success. It's like having directions on the way of your aspirations, always guiding you towards the right path. Now you might ask, why do I need a personal development plan? A personal development plan acts as your guide, helping you navigate through the challenges and obstacles that come your way, breaking them down into small steps. But it's not just about setting goals, it's also about tracking your progress. By regularly reviewing your plan, you can see how far you've come and what you've accomplished. This not only keeps you motivated, but also allows you to adjust your plan as necessary, ensuring you're always on the right track. Moreover, a personal development plan fosters a habit of continuous learning and improvement. It encourages you to constantly seek new knowledge and skills, to push your boundaries, to step out of your comfort zone. This is crucial in today's rapidly changing world, where adaptability and resilience are key to success. For more info, don't forget to click the links in our description box below. Success is about the journey, the learning, growing. It's becoming the best version of yourself. And a personal development plan is your tool to make that happen. So, don't just wander in the wilderness of your aspirations. Equip yourself with a plan. Set clear, achievable goals. Track your progress. Foster a habit of continuous learning and improvement. And most importantly, enjoy the journey. Chart your course to success with a personal development plan.